Hey guys, do you want to learn how to crop pictures using Photoshop? Are you a beginner in graphic design and you are finding it difficult to crop pictures using Photoshop? Then this post is for you. My name is Master D, aka graphic designer based on request, and I'll be teaching you how to crop pictures using Photoshop using your lasso tool and the other tools. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, share this post.
Hi guys, so my name is Master D, aka Master D Concept. So today I'll be showing you how to remove background using Photoshop. So we'll be using this tool. We have three tools that we can use. We have the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, and the magnetic lasso tool. And also here we have the object selection tool, quick selection tool, and magic wand tool. So I'll be teaching you how to use this lasso tool. This lasso tool, some people prefer to use lasso tool. Then you can just right click, when you left click, you hold it. Don't leave it, just keep cropping. Don't leave it, just continue drag. Just drag on the body, on the edges of the photo. Then you can drag out of the interface, can you see? And make sure you join them together. Don't leave it. Once you join them together, then you remove your hand. Can you see? Now it has selected the top. Then you can press your backspace to delete back key. Once you press back key, can you see? It has removed. So again, we are still on that lasso tool. You see? I'm dragging. It might not be perfect this way because this one you have to go corner left, right to make sure you have a perfect cropping. Can you see? So I'll just join it together now, and I'll press the back button. Can you see? We have just cropped this picture. Though it's not perfect because you can see there are some edges that is not cropped. Now we can do it one by one. You can come here, do like this, and crop this place individually. This is one of the steps how we can crop pictures. So I'll be pressing Ctrl Z to go back to where we started from and show you how to use the remaining tool. Okay, let's go back. All right, so where we are, this is where we are. So now we are going to use the other tool to do the cropping. Okay, now let's use the polygonal lasso tool. You click on it, then you zoom in so I can get the perfect cut. All right, you click on this end of this image here, you click here, once you click, it will save. You click, that means it has saved. You need to move it further, you can bend it, you click, left click. So you have to keep doing that. I have to fast forward this place so that you can understand. And then you join it back. Then you click your backspace. Can you see? It has removed. Can you see? Can you see how to use the other tool? I can also repeat it again. I click on the starting point where I want to start. See, I can move it anyhow I want. The fact that I've clicked once, that's where it will start from. Then if I click second, it will start from where I click. Can you see? You can just follow the process and keep going. You just be cropping. Understand? So now can you see what I just did? Then I join it together, then I backspace. Can you see? That means I've cropped outside. Now you've known how to use this polygonal tool. Now let's work on the other tool. If you are following my video, I am sure you'll be able to understand every step of it. So I will not be using this magnetical tool because most people can't understand this magnetical tool. Even myself, see, can you see how it is? Can you see? The more you move it will create edges on its own. Can you see? Then you press back, it will remove the background. So I don't like using it though because it's kind of somehow. I don't think you might be needing this tool. So what you use your quick selection tool. Now this quick selection tool, it's very, very helpful. Now just drag on the subjects on top of the image, drag. Can you see? As you're dragging, it's showing the places where the subject is. You understand? Now you can just drag to here and see it will select the subject gradually. Can you see it's loading? It's selecting the subject gradually. Now the perfect thing to do here on this image now is very simple. If you are using your quick selection tool, can you see it? The second one. Now click on select subject. Look at the top. Click on select subject. once you select subject, it will load by itself. Let's wait and see. Okay, now you see, by clicking on this select subject, the picture will highlight the subject itself by itself. Okay, now you just have to Ctrl J. Once you Ctrl J, it will duplicate. Then, as you all know, in Photoshop, you can choose to just hide the one below for you to get the one that you just selected. You see, that's one of the easiest way to crop pictures. You see, then you Ctrl J. Once you Ctrl J to duplicate it, like I say. So these are one of the easiest way for you to crop pictures. It's as simple as this. Now, the next thing to do, you Ctrl D to deselect. Once you click your Ctrl D, it will deselect your selection. Even if you are a beginner in graphic design and you will love to learn other things, please kindly drop your comments in the comment section and let's get started. So thank you. I hope you find this helpful. God bless you as you join. I still go by the name Master D, aka Master D Concepts or Master D Graphics.